Hello everyone, it's Frances with Your Book of Memories. I've got a cute little fall project to share with you. Welcome in, friends. Thank you so much for joining me for this quick project share. And if you're new, it's just fantastic to be here with you. I used one of the cutest paper packs I've ever seen by Photoplay, Gnome for the holidays, Thanksgiving. And it was just so much fun. I actually put this book together and decorated with my niece and my son, so they helped me put the little decorative elements on and helped me make some big decisions. This is my 6x6 folio design, so you can use all the different types of 6x6 paper pads that you have at home, and I'll leave the class link down in the description. Right here on the front cover, we popped up one of the main elements out of the cut aparts page, and then we decided to use some craft for the spine. And then we just love that plaid green and white paper, oh my goodness. And I did use some Dollar Tree ribbon right here. It has like sort of a burlap vibe. And we just thought it went with the fall theme. Right here on the front inside cover, we decided to actually put a cute little brad swing closure that was yellow, so we thought the yellow popped out nicely, and you can see the twine coming through here. I can see a pumpkin patch picture right there of the family, and we put a little banner right here. This is something you can do. Look at this frame. It's got acetate on it, and we have a cute little tag that comes out. It was so much fun to decide which colors to pop here and there. And if you wanted to know what it's like to sit in class with me, I have a tutorial here already on YouTube. The Choice Folio. And also, on that class video, there's a coupon in the description. So this swings over right here. Of course, you could tuck your photo inside this frame, which is perfect, and then that swings down, and you can open this right up, and we have more space on the inside. I'm stuffed. I just thought that was way too cute. We have a couple more little inserts here, and an adorable little tuck spot. Cute little elements. Pumpkin spice and everything nice. And you could definitely put more in here than I have. This paper is just way too cute. Fall is in the air. Look at this cute little sunflower. We have a magnetic closure. Happy Thanksgiving. They decided to put that there, and I just love it. I can't get over how adorable his beard is. Okay, blessings. This is another little swing closure right here. I'm just so excited to show you this because this is probably one of the first books I ever had help decorating, and I just thought it was so much fun, and it was so special. And look at this. That little guy swings over and reveals this inside pocket. We got a cute little amanita right there and a little pumpkin. Give thanks with a grateful heart. And that closes right back up. And then this thing actually comes down, revealing a cute little sticker right there with a leaf. They thought to layer, and I just thought that was just so creative. Another little banner here that I actually cut in half to space it between the two little picture mats right here. Beautiful spot right there. That closes back up, and again, yep, here we go. So much fun. Places for journaling, places for pictures. And I can't believe it. I went kind of nuts with my journaling pen right there. Gratitude, and you know, another thing I haven't done in a while, many times children just bring out the best in us. They thought to go diagonal, and that's just what we did. I just love it. Everything folds back up beautifully. And oh my gosh, thank you so much for spending time with me right now just to check this out. I hope you're having such a beautiful day wherever it is that you are. And I'll catch you in my next one. Bye!